We've finished the bird control in part one. Now we'll move on to creating the pipes and controlling them. First, we will create a pipe game object. Make sure that you always set the game object's position to 0, 0, 0. We will add a box collider 2D to the pipe. Create a pipe spawner game object and script to automatically generate pipes at fixed time intervals. Create a pipe movement script to move the pipes. Everything is working well. However, we have one issue. The pipe is being spawned right in the middle of the screen. We need to move the pipe spawner object to the end of the screen. It seems that the pipes are being spawned too close to each other, so we'll adjust the pipe spawn parameters a bit to make them look better. Great. In this video, I've shown you how to create pipes and make them move. In the next video, we'll handle collisions and implement the scoring system for the game. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel to watch more exciting videos.